Guys, showing you this flea trap for inside your homes. So it's a flea light trapper with the indoor fly killers or the warm and UV LED light. So this comes in the nice box, and this have this small thingy inside. So as you can see, this have a UV and the normal visible light inside, and these are the sticky pads that comes with it, a charging cable, so or the power cable I will say, because there's no battery inside. So you can put in the power through this USB, and you can put this hook to, you know, make it stand on the top or make it hang. So these are some sticky pads, I think 5 sticky pads with this one, and then I just show like one. So there are two things to open here. I will show you one by one. So let me just open this one first. So this thing, the sticker will come, so you can take out the cover at the end, or in the beginning. So this is the manual that shows how this you can use it and how are the different functions, pretty explained. So I'm just taking it before putting it, just to show you the sticky thing, and you just put it. So you can put it first and then take it out the protective cover, but I just take it out. And this one is for the batteries. So if you want to use the batteries here, 3 AAA batteries you can put in here, so you don't need to use the power cable. So just put it back. And then you can hang it wherever you want. So I'm just putting in the power cable and showing you the effect. So once the light is on, and I will show you. So so you can see it here that the light is on, and you have to then switch on this plug. So once you switch it on, there is a alternate UV and the visible light. That is a preferred setting, so that the both type of things can come and attracted towards it. So what it do is the fly and everything will get attracted to this light, and then when they come inside, they trap on the sticky pad, and you have to change the sticky pad once it's full. So it's basically a basic model, and the nice thing for catching the flea and the flying stuff, and all the details are given. For the setting, I can UV, visible, or the mix. So it's a nice flea catcher, and hope this will help.